Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can edit test site on WIX. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So here from the home page of WIX, I have just clicked on design site, which has taken me to the WIX website editor. Now right here from the top left corner, we want to click on site and then choose create test site. It will generate the URL of my website, which we can view here if we click on view site. And if we go back here, I'm just going to close this view. We can manage the exposure. So set the percentage of visitors who will see this version of your site. So if I click on go to release manager, I'm going to explain what this does basically. So if we want to edit the test site here, then what we want to do is change this exposure percentage. So as you can see, 0% of our viewers will be able to view this newer version of our website. If we want to edit this, we will click on the three dots and then we will click on edit exposure. And here we can make, for example, 15% of the visitors to our website view this version of our website. So if any features don't work as intended, we can make changes. Now, if it doesn't work as intended, we will go back to the WIX website editor here and we can make the changes from within the WIX website editor. And once we have created and saved those changes, then we will go back to site and we will click on create a site. And that way we will have created a new test site and we will have edited the previously created test site. So that's basically how you can edit test site on WIX. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.